Today, we will tell you about the most expensive yachts in the world. These beautiful vessels are built with the latest technology and, of course, incredibly luxurious. The most expensive yachts are built according to the personal requirements of the owners. This may be the presence of a helipad or a large pool on the upper deck or exclusive materials for interior decoration. But before continuing further, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Let's continue with our video. Number 5. Dubai. Originally a joint project between Blohm plus Voss and Lursen shipyards, the Dubai was commissioned by Prince Jeffrey Bolkiah of Brunei more than 10 years prior to the ship's launch in 2006. It was acquired by Platinum Yachts for His Highness Sheikh Mohammed Rashid Al Maktoum, ruler of Dubai, who designed the decadent interior. The most striking features of this beautiful boat comprise the abundance of sunbathing areas, several jacuzzis, and the swimming pool boasting elaborate handmade tiling. Similarly, the interior features intricately designed handmade mosaics and a stunning circular staircase with glass steps, which change color with the light that enters from the top deck. Bold colors dominate the spectacularly decorated interior, whilst the spacious deck of the Dubai houses a split-level owner's deck, a large social area and lounge, numerous VIP and guest suites. Finally, a helipad, which can accommodate a helicopter of up to 95 tons, completes this extravagant ensemble. Number 4. Topaz. The superyacht Topaz comes with a price tag $527 million. She was built by Lursen Yachts in May 2012 in Germany. The exterior was designed by Tim Haywood and the interiors were done up Terence Dinsdale design. She is 482 feet long with a beam length of 70.5 feet and a gross tonnage of 11,589. The twin pie-stick diesel engineering marvel comes with a power-packed 7990 hours power engine to pull at a service speed of 22.9 knots. Accelerating to a maximum speed is over 25.5 knots. The Topaz is equipped with 2 diesel generators to provide power to the stabilizers for all the equipment on board along with the navigation systems. It also comes with an emergency backup diesel generator for redundancy. This beauty features a steel displacement hull and an aluminum megastructure, with 8 gorgeous decks for different exotic viewing experiences. The interior extravagance of Topaz showcases a large jacuzzi on the deck that beckons indulgence. It has a swimming deck with a built-in swimming pool. The yacht is fully air-conditioned for optimal temperature control. The Topaz comes with fancy underwater lights, double helicopter landing pads, a state-of-the-art gymnasium, cinema hall, and a large conference room. The Topaz is owned by Sheikh Mansour, the Deputy Prime Minister of United Arab Emirates. He is the Minister of Presidential Affairs and a member of the royal family of Abu Dhabi. Number 3. Adzam. Lursen Yachts is behind this luxury liner, which was recently delivered to fortunate Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the United Arab Emirates and Emir of Abu Dhabi, for no less than $650 million. This makes it the world's 3rd most expensive luxury yacht, with the makers boasting that the Adzam is the most complex and challenging yacht that has ever been built. However, not only has the Adzam been dominating the headlines for its hefty price tag, but also due to its immense size. Measuring in at 590 feet long, this floating extravagance boasts the largest private yacht in the world, thus knocking the Eclipse, belonging to Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich, off the top spot. In addition, this impressive superyacht is expected to be one of the fastest, reaching speeds of more than 30 knots, or 35 meters per hour. The luxury interiors were designed by French interior decorator Christophe Leoni, which has been described as sophisticated and luxurious in a turn-of-the-century empire style. For the moment, little else is known about the Adzam. Number 2. Eclipse. Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich is proud owner of the Eclipse, the 2nd most expensive yacht in the world, rumored to be worth $800,000 to $1.5 billion. It was built by Blohm and Voss of Hamburg and measures 536 feet long, also making it the 2nd largest in the world. The Eclipse's immense size allows space for the boat's many extravagant features, including 24 guest cabins, 2 swimming pools, several hot tubs, and a disco hall, not to mention the 2 helicopter pads, 3 launch boats, and mini submarine capable of submerging up to 50 meters underwater. Finally, a whopping 70-member crew is required to maintain this floating extravagance. Number 1. History Supreme. Finally, boasting the world's most expensive yacht is the History Supreme. This pricey 100-foot vessel was designed by world-renowned UK luxury designer Stuart Hughes. This staggering sum is owed to the solid gold and platinum used to assemble this luxury liner, which features no less than 100,000 kilograms of these precious metals. They adorn the entirety of the boat right from the base of the vessel, coated with a thin layer of solid gold, to the dining area, deck, rails, staircases, and anchor. One of the most outstanding features of this magnificent superyacht is its master bedroom. It boasts a wall feature made from meteorite rock and a statue made from genuine Tyrannosaurus rex bones. In addition, a 68 kilograms of 24-karat gold Aquavista panoramic wall aquarium graces the master suite, and on board is a liquor bottle featuring an extremely rare 18.5-carat diamond worth $45 million alone. Add to the many extravagant features on the History Supreme, the most expensive yacht in the world. We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching.